Hello, in front of me I have Honor Magic V6, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check does your device support eSIM thanks to the IMEI number of your phone. Okay, first we need to find out what is our IMEI. To check it, open up the phone app and then go to the keypad and type this code, *#06 and the hashtag. Now we have our IMEI number. We just gotta enter it on our page and then click on check IMEI. As you can see, the phone has appeared. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks. And the first option from the top is the eSIM compatibility check. We just gotta click on that and then click on check eSIM compatibility. Now we gotta wait a little bit. And now we have the result that this device does not support eSIM. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.